Oh no, I'm broke on crypto because autonomous agents took it all away. Welcome. I was originally going to do a SingularityNet versus Fetch.AI video, but I decided that that was unfair on Fetch.ai as I'd already made a SingularityNet video, which you can check out by clicking here. So, in the interest of fairness, let's find out what is Fetch.ai. Obviously we're dealing with complicated concepts here and limited time, as I don't want to keep you here all day, so some of the subjects discussed may be simplified for ease of understanding. Also, this is just my opinion. The Fetch.ai platform is not yet running, however they do have a testnet running at the moment. Their ICO was launched via the Binance launchpad, and Binance wrote a report on them, which I highly recommend that you read. The link to that will be in the description down below. Fetch.ai aims to be a decentralized system with a scalable ledger and the express intention of creating a superintelligence. Along with that superintelligence, they aim to improve the transmission of data, because right now data cannot sell itself. We're quickly approaching a future where everyday objects are inhabited by AI agents. This is called the Internet of Things. The team have recently said in a Twitter AMA that agents are very similar to smart contracts, and very soon people using the system will be able to upload their own. Fetch.ai states that devices inhabited by Fetch agents can increase utilization by capitalizing on short-lived opportunities to sell the information that they possess. The system itself will present opportunities to data sellers that even they haven't thought of. And through the power of video editing, here is CTO Toby Simpson explaining exactly how they would do that. Shout out to Crypto Gurus, whose channel link will be in the description down below, so totally go check that out.
Which is why I often describe Fetch as the ultimate dating agency for value providers. It's about reducing the distance between something that has something and something that wants it, or much more interestingly, something that might want it. And it's that speculative introductions that's possible with something like Fetch that's really interesting. Because as an individual, if you've got a piece of data and you want to sell it, then how are you supposed to think of all the possible applications that data might have? Whereas, of course, if you've got a system that's restructuring itself to present all the possible uses of that data directly to you, then all those opportunities are there. So that increases utilization enormously, but also introduces all the potential applications of being able to connect all this stuff together.
You might be saying that all of that sounds very ambitious, and what kind of team could pull that off? Fetch.ai has people from Cambridge University, people from Sheffield University, computer science professors, and people who have worked in fintech previously. The CEO, Humayun Sheikh, and CTO, Toby Simpson, have both worked at DeepMind, so you can tell that they are eminently qualified to head up the Fetch.ai project. Now, as I said previously, they don't appear to be fully operational, but they do have mobile wallets, and they also have claimed to have created a revolutionary consensus mechanism. Here is the CTO, Toby Simpson, explaining exactly what that means.
We're often asked how our consensus mechanism works. Now, of course, this is a key part of ensuring a decentralized network like Fetch will actually work. And we have some very interesting articles and very detailed technical papers that are coming out that talk about all of this in a lot more detail. But essentially, we work with an incentive-compatible proof-of-stake model. We use useful proof of work to allow us to optimize transaction performance, and that works a little bit like modern CPU design, where things that don't affect each other can actually be packed in an out-of-order fashion. And connecting the blocks together, we have this notarized DAG, and this gives us the appearance of having a centralized controller and all the abilities of having that kind of thing, but in a truly decentralized way. And all of this combines to solve the security trilemma, really, which is we get our scalability through our sharded ledger. The network is open to all people to take part, and there are no restrictions on all of those things, which makes it properly decentralized. And our overall design philosophy of minimal agency, ensuring that no one node gets control over what transactions are going through the system, gives us the security that we require.
Fetch.AI require users to use their own FET token to use services on the platform. So, for those of you wanting to make a profit out of these tokens, there is the possibility that as companies or retail customers use the services on Fetch.AI, the price of the tokens will go up as the demand for the tokens will go up. Obviously, things may and probably will change as the team are very inventive and are constantly adding new things to their system. It is a very exciting time in blockchain and AI, and I very much hope that all of these projects succeed. Some of you may be asking, aren't Fetch.AI and SingularityNet very similar projects? Well, the answer to that is yes and no. And to find out why I'm saying that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also click the notification bell to be notified when I do upload that video. Before I go, I do want to say that I look forward to the future in which my toaster talks back to me.
Howdy doodly do. How's it going? I'm Talkie. Talkie Toaster, your chirpy breakfast companion. Talkie's the name, toasting's the game. Anyone like any toast?
Look, I don't want any toast, and he doesn't want any toast. In fact, no one around here wants any toast. Not now, not ever. No toast.
How about a muffin?
Oh, muffins! Oh, we don't like muffins round here. We want no muffins, no toast, no tea cakes, no buns, baps, baguettes or bagels, no croissants, no crumpets, no pancakes, no potato cakes, and no hot cross buns, and definitely no Smeggan flapjacks.
Ah, so you're a waffle man.